Is Mi TV reliable? Mi TVs, produced by Xiaomi, have earned a reputation for offering excellent value for money. While they may not be on par with premium brands like Samsung or LG in terms of features or build quality, Mi TVs are generally considered reliable for their price range. Users appreciate their solid performance, smart features, and affordability. However, like any product, the reliability of Mi TVs depends on the specific model and how well it is maintained. In this explanation, we will explore the factors that contribute to the reliability of Mi TVs. Build quality and durability. Mi TVs are built to be affordable yet functional, and while they may not boast the same premium materials used in higher-end models, they are still sturdy and well constructed. The build quality is generally considered good for the price, with most models featuring slim bezels and solid frames. Although the materials may not feel as premium as those of more expensive brands, they are still durable enough to withstand regular use. With proper care and handling, Mi TVs can last for several years without significant issues. Software performance and updates. One of the strengths of Mi TVs is their use of Android TV, an operating system known for its smooth interface and vast app selection. Android TV receives regular updates, and Mi TVs are generally kept up to date with the latest software enhancements and security patches. This contributes to the overall reliability of the TV, as users can enjoy a consistent and responsive experience without frequent crashes or bugs. However, updates may not be as fast or frequent as with more premium brands, which could affect long-term performance. Customer support and warranty. Xiaomi has a decent reputation for customer support, although it may not be as extensive as the customer service offered by larger companies. Mi TVs typically come with a 1-year warranty, and Xiaomi provides customer support via their website and service centers. While some users have reported positive experiences with support, others may find the service to be less responsive than what they might expect from premium brands. For most users, the warranty and customer service should be sufficient to address any potential issues that arise with the TV. In conclusion, Mi TVs are generally reliable for their price range, offering good performance, solid build quality, and regular software updates. While they may not compete with higher-end brands in terms of premium features or durability, they are a great option for those looking for an affordable smart TV. With proper care and reasonable expectations, Mi TVs can provide years of satisfactory use.